Okie doke, my peeps. Storms don't get better than this. The sun is shining, or was. We got thunder and lightning. This kind of weird pink. Oh, it just stopped. No, it didn't stop. We've got this weird pink kind of alpenglow kind of look to the light right now. I know you don't see it. Hey, look, I've got little pink flowers blooming. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what else. And get something over here. Look at my totally torn up front porch. I've got all our family heirlooms sitting out here on the front porch. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, I love this. I just love it. Oh, we've got hail. We've got hail. Oh, yes, we do. Look at that out there. Oh, we got hail, we got lightning, we got thunder. Yay! This is probably the last water that's going to fall out of our sky until next year, is my guess. We might have a little bit this weekend, but I have a funny feeling that our storms are just about over, which is a huge bummer.
Wow, it's hail.
It's hail, yeah. What? Oh, he says there's hail bouncing into our porch, our front porch. And I've got some pretty good eaves on this porch too. But see, look, pretty good overhang. I think it stopped hailing now. Yeah. Okay, it seems to be slowing down a little bit. Oh. But we're getting some good lightning still. So that's nice. Oh. Oh, I just love this. I know I'm boring the crap out of you. It's like, okay, it's a rainstorm, Cheryl. Relax. But I can't relax because it's water. Okay, let's see. Can we see the doggies? No, it's too dark down there for you to see the doggies. Bolt's lying on his bed, wishing this whole darn thing would just go away. Oh, Grant's right. It really did come up on the porch here. Look at how high the weeds have gotten over there. Unbelievable. We've got water running down the driveway. Oh, yes, we do. Man, my place really needs some freaking work. The spider plants are happy, though. How about my mom's roses? Oh, shit. I haven't watered those things. Ooh. Yeah.
Whoa! Yeah, that was tough.
Our front porch is shaking. That was quite a little thunderclap. Honey, remind me to water my mom's roses. I keep forgetting, and I think they're going to die if I don't get out there. Well, that was something.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. 4, 1005, 1006, 1007. Okay, we got rolling. Okay. We didn't see the strike. We heard.
It caught out the little window in the bathroom, struck right over here in the yard, and made the house go off.
Made the what? Oh.
Yeah, it was a big blue flash. I looked out the window.
Nick actually saw that lightning.
Right over here. And it made the house power
Well, we-
go on.
Wow.
Wow.
No,
So,
it was just happening
You know
right
what
there.
you know what it probably hit? It probably hit one of the massive transmission line towers. or something.
Yeah. I've
Because
seen
I
those
like-
go up like torches when they get hit. They go up like a torch, yeah. And then the fire department comes nosing down the road
Oh, you
trying to
remember
find
when
it.
You remember when I got hit by lightning?
Yes, I do. Nick almost got hit by lightning once. Very scary. Oh, okay, we just had some lightning.
That's funny.
I know.
A couple miles.
Yeah. Look at this this cloud, honey, just kind of floating along there. God, this is boring. I know. I'm sorry, you guys. I'll probably edit a lot. No, I won't. I won't edit it. I'll make you guys sit through how many minutes? How many minutes of, 6 minutes. That's not too long to sit through some rain footage, is it? Isn't that cool? That's, those are sewing machine parts that I have hanging on the side of my house there. Yeah, from a treadle machine. Alright. My dogs are over here hiding. Ooh, what do you think? What do you think, buddy? Let's see if I can get Bolt's face. What do you think, Bolt? Nope, not enough light. Not enough light to see Bolt. Alright, I'm going inside.